Hello, welcome to an electronic home workshop. Today in this workshop, we are going to talk about how to latch a transistor. Since in the previous video, we talked about how to latch a relay. In that video also, we talk about the importance of latching in electronics, what is latching, what you need to achieve before you can latch a component, and that is a torque. We also explain what is torque. We use a diagram to also demonstrate that how you can create a torque in a component so that you will be able to latch that component. But in this video today, we are going to actually talk about how to latch a transistor. We are not going to explain too much in details. That is why we have a diagram, a circuit diagram, to let you understand how really you can format your component in a circuit in order to latch the transistor. You have two bulbs here. These are the lead to show you, to let you know the actions of when we latch the relay on and off, meaning we latch transistor 1 and we also latch transistor 2. You will be able to see the action through the light bulb. Now let's start with the actual component. To build up the circuit, let's try to practicalize what is actually in the circuit here that you are seeing. We have the transistors here. We have two transistors which we are going to place it here. Now we are using a USB, a phone charger to power the circuit. Now we have actually finished with the circuit, building up the circuit in order to see the action of latching a transistor. Now this is just the resistor which is connected here. See, you have a wire connected to this point, to the positive part of the circuit. We are going to use it to latch the circuit, the transistor. Now we have to use this to increase the current here to the base of both transistor. If you want to latch this transistor, you actually increase the voltage here so that this transistor is going to switch on. We also want to switch on this transistor. You have to increase the voltage here to the base of this transistor so that this transistor will be switched on and current will be now flowing in this direction. Now I use the USB to power this circuit, a phone charger which I use, which is 5 volt. So you can use 5 volt source to actually power this circuit to see how the circuit work when you latch and reset both the transistor. Now let me switch on the power supply and power so that the USB will power the circuit. Now you can see one of the lead is actually on, the other lead here is off. You see it, one of the circuit actually is on, the other circuit is off. Okay, this one is touching each other. Now I have separated it. You can now see it that this light is on, the one is off. So meaning you have already created torque and then you have started latching the relay. Now let me use this action to latch the relay. Now I am going to add a certain amount of voltage here so that you will see that this other light will be switched on and this will be switched off. Now see what will happen. See, it goes off, this come on and this go off again. See, this is what we call latching a transistor, or even creating a stable state circuit. This is actually latching. Latch, 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 over and over and again, and then you have now see how to latch a transistor. Thank you very much for your audience for watching this video. This is my second video on this channel. Like, subscribe, and if you have any comment, you can leave it in the comment box. I will read it and see what it is all about. If you have any other idea, then you can share it with me. Let me know. Don't forget to subscribe. This is my second video here. So in the next video, we are going to talk about time delay circuit, how to build a time delay circuit. Finally, we have done with latching. In the next video, we'll be dealing with time delay circuit, and after that we are going to talk about unstable multivibrator circuit. We will actually build up the circuit here, and then we will explain purely how the circuit works, so that you will definitely know how to create your own multivibrator circuit. And this 3 project we will be handling here is very much important, as we may be moving on, so you don't have to relax. You have to actually know and get the idea from what you are actually watching. Latching, this is all the idea that we can give you. With this, you can go a long way with your own project. You can also make an improve modification in your project. You will use this idea to create another things. So thank you very much. Thank you.